Okay, so we're making sandwiches today, and I'm getting some mayo on this one side. So we're gonna start with some mayo, and then some mayo on the other side.
What kind of mayo?
And this is avocado mayo I'm using today, everyone. You can buy it in the store. It's a little more expensive than whole egg regular mayo, Hellman's mayo, or whatever you like. Okay, now, what I'm going to do with this is, I'm going to do some smoked turkey on this bread. So we're gonna take it over here, and I'm gonna cut this right in half, the pieces, just like that, okay? And then what we're gonna do is get it on our sandwich, like this. Kinda put him on here like that.
You're customizing.
I'm customizing, and you can do this depending on what everybody likes at your house, right?
I like that. Customizing your sandwich.
Yeah, we're customizing today. Okay, and another little piece over here, and I think I'm gonna put some of this in mine when we get to mine. Okay, there we go. All right, now I need a paper towel real quick. There we go. And what I'm gonna do is just wipe this here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this into the oven and melt the cheese. So before I put the tomato on there or the lettuce, I'm gonna do that when it comes out. I'm gonna put the cheese. So this is smoked provolone. Let's get some slices of smoked provolone on here. And we're gonna stick him in the oven. And while we stick him in the oven, he will melt, and then we're gonna bring him out. And we are gonna put our lettuce and tomato and close it up and cut it, and Anthony will be ready to eat, okay? So all I'm gonna do with this, and it kind of toasts your bread a little bit, is put him on a pan, just like this, okay, everybody? Just like this, and in the oven it goes, all right? And we're gonna go, and we'll watch that. Okay, now I'm gonna use some wheat bread today for me, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make a sandwich, and I'm gonna make it with ham. Now this is all uncured, which means no nitrates I'm using here, okay? So there's no nitrates, it's all cured, uncured. So you can buy it in the store uncured, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this way, and I'm gonna get these little pieces of turkey on here, just like this for me. And then I've got some smoked, Black Forest ham here. Black Forest uncured ham, and what I'm gonna do is get this on here, and it's sliced very nice.
Oh, that looks good.
Beautiful ham, everybody. Okay, there we go. Has a nice Black Forest smoky deliciousness to it, and I'm just getting him undone. Here we go. Okay, there we go.
I could have some of that too.
Yeah, you can, Anthony, sure. Okay, so I'm gonna get this on here, just like that. We'll hold this off for Anthony.
It's a beautiful
And then I'm gonna go with a couple of pieces of Swiss cheese on here. And then what we're gonna do is check Anthony's here and see, oh, he's starting to melt just fine, okay? And then what we're going to do is wait 1 second, and then we're gonna get Anthony's out and put my sandwich in, and then I'll show you how we finish that off, okay?
So you're so good about cleaning as you go, and it makes it seem like it's so, I think that's what, when people see you, they think you make everything look so easy.
Well, it really is. If you clean as you go, everybody, then you're ready to go for when the sandwich comes out, because I'm going to put some tomato and lettuce on it, a little more mayo, and close it and cut it, and there we'll have it. Done. That will be Anthony's sandwich for today. Okay, so where are we at here? Oh, we're looking really good. Really good. It's getting there. I don't know that I want to have it all over the maple, but everything is melting nice in there.
Oh, I can see it. I was able to.
I think I'm going to take it right here, and we're going to pull it out. And what I'm going to do is get it over here on the board.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
And we're going to get this side off. Let's get him off. Come on off, come on off. There we go. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to pop my sandwich right in here and let it do its thing. Okay. Now I'm finishing Anthony's. Okay, so what we're going to do is take some of this nice, delicious lettuce I shredded and get it right on here. Don't worry if it falls on your board. It's okay. It's okay. And then we're going to get some of these tomato pieces, slices, on here. See how easy it is to make a sandwich? You don't have to heat them, everybody. You don't have to heat it. And just a little bit of salt right there. Okay? And you make it the way everybody likes it, okay? Everybody likes it a little bit different, and I'm going to give it a little more mayo here. Okay. And then the top goes on. And we'll move our lettuce out of the way here. Turn him just like that. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Anthony said he wanted a little bit of this. Let's just get this right over here. It looks just fine. And then we're going to go back with our tomato, slightly push it down, and come across like this. Very simple sandwich. Everybody makes their sandwiches different. I'm doing this particular one today, and here we have it. So, there we go. A beautiful sandwich on sourdough wheat bread. And we'll see you all again. This is Peter Carpizzos. We're going to enjoy our sandwiches now. Out.